In the fast-evolving world of technology, terms like artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning are often used interchangeably. But what do they really mean, and how are they connected? Join us as we unravel these concepts and explore their unique roles and relationships in the realm of technology. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the overarching field that encompasses the creation of intelligent machines capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. This includes problem-solving, recognizing speech, and learning from data. Machine learning is a subset of AI. It's where machines are given access to data and they learn for themselves. It's about using algorithms to parse data, learn from it, and then make a decision or prediction about something in the world. Deep learning, a subset of machine learning, is inspired by the structure and function of the brain, called artificial neural networks. It involves a deeper level of automation and predictive analytics. Deep learning is responsible for many of the breakthroughs we see today, from facial recognition systems to self-driving cars. To put it simply, AI is the science, machine learning is the approach, and deep learning is the technique. Machine learning feeds into AI, and deep learning feeds into machine learning, each playing a crucial role in the capabilities of intelligent systems. As we continue to push the boundaries of technology, the distinctions and connections between AI, machine learning, and deep learning become more crucial. Understanding these concepts is key to comprehending the future of AI and its endless possibilities. Are there other aspects of AI you're curious about? We invite you to share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Your suggestions could shape our future content. Dive into the world of AI with us, and let's explore these technological marvels together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into this incredible technology. See you in the next video.